you will discover that your membrum virilis, that's Latin for weir.
Weir, sir. Means man, sir.
Very good. Very good. Look, it might be easier if I... That thing. There. Now, that will develop and grow larger. You see? And when that happens, the man lies very, very close to his wife. And he puts his membrum virilis into her vagina. Thus. And then, in due course, she will bring forth his child. Seminiferous tubules, labia, major and minor, ducts. Vulva. That is the very crown of life, Paul. God's wondrous purpose.